Hello, I hope you're doing great today. So, some of you already know that we develop a course to teach how to develop web applications using Blazor. The course is hosted at blazor.pticostarica.com. You can visit it today. Basically, the application that you will see is this application, which is a application using Azure Media Services Video Indexer. And one of the new functionalities we added to this is listing all the persons which are in your account that have been found in your account. And you will see that in this case there are 3 persons which were found when we index the videos in the portal or through this application. And one of the things we added is basically allow you to click any of these persons and do an automatic search based on that person to find all of the videos which have some relation with that actual name. So you will see that in this case all of those videos are actually related to this name somehow. If I click this other person, the video that it's going to be found is actually this one, how to use Customer Finder Web Portal. And if I click this other person, Sarah, the video that will be found is actually one which has that person related somehow to that video. The reason why those persons actually appeared in the video are because those persons were identified in certain places, parts of this video. So you will see that this guy, Bobby, is actually found in these 2 sections, and Sarah is actually found in these 2 sections. So this is what I wanted to show you today. Please remember that you can subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified when there are new videos uploaded. Remember, we are doing trainings about .NET Core, Azure, Blazor, and Unity3d. And let us know anything you would like to have. Remember to subscribe and share the videos and like them. Have a great day.